In today's fast-paced world, having kitchen tools that are not only versatile but also efficient is essential. Enter today's Utalent 3-in-1 Immersion Hand Blender. Compact yet powerful tool designed to make your cooking and food preparation easier and more enjoyable. Whether you're blending a smoothie, frothing milk for your morning coffee, or whipping up a quick batch of baby food, this hand blender promises to deliver exceptional performance with minimal effort. But does it live up to the hype? Let's dive into a detailed review to explore why the Utalent Immersion Hand Blender might just be the perfect addition to your kitchen arsenal. If you've ever struggled with bulky kitchen appliances that are difficult to use and even harder to clean, the Utalent 3-in-1 Immersion Hand Blender could be the game changer you've been looking for. Designed with the modern home cook in mind, this immersion blender is compact, easy to use, and incredibly versatile. Its 8-speed settings, coupled with a powerful motor, allow you to tackle a wide range of tasks with ease. From blending soups to frothing milk, the Utalent Hand Blender is here to simplify your kitchen experience. But what really sets this blender apart from the competition? Let's break down its features, performance, and overall value. One of the first things you'll notice about the Utalent 3-in-1 Immersion Hand Blender is its sleek, modern design. Available in a clean white finish, it's a visually appealing tool that will complement any kitchen decor. But beyond aesthetics, this blender is designed with functionality in mind. The blender's handle is ergonomically designed for comfort and ease of use. It's lightweight, which means you can use it for extended periods without experiencing hand fatigue. Controls are straightforward and easy to access, allowing you to adjust the speed settings with just a thumb press. This intuitive design ensures that even novice cooks can operate the blender with confidence. The attachments are easy to detach and reattach, thanks to the simple click and lock mechanism. This not only makes switching between tasks quick and hassle-free, but also simplifies the cleaning process. Stainless steel mixing wand, milk frother, and egg whisk are all dishwasher-safe, which is a huge plus for anyone who wants to minimize time spent on cleanup. Performance is where the Utalent 3-in-1 Immersion Hand Blender truly shine. Equipped with a powerful motor, this blender handles a variety of tasks with ease. Whether you're making a creamy soup, blending a nutritious smoothie, or whipping up a frothy coffee, the Utalent blender delivers consistent, high-quality results. 8-speed settings plus turbo. The Utalent blender offers 8-speed settings plus a turbo mode, giving you precise control over your blending tasks. This is particularly useful when you're working with different ingredients that require varying levels of power. For example, you can start on a low speed when mixing delicate ingredients like whipped cream, then switch to a higher speed for tougher tasks like pureeing cooked vegetable. The turbo mode provides an extra burst of power when you need it, ensuring that even the most stubborn ingredients are blended smoothly. High-efficiency mixing wand. The stainless steel mixing wand is equipped with a 4-blade system that makes food preparation more efficient. The blades are sharp and durable, allowing them to cut through ingredients evenly and smoothly. This means you can achieve the perfect texture for soups, sauces, and purees without any lumps or inconsistencies. Low noise and minimal shake. One of the common complaints with hand blenders is the noise and vibration they produce during operation. However, Utalent Immersion Hand Blender is designed to operate quietly and with minimal shake. This makes the blending process more comfortable and less disruptive, especially if you're preparing food early in the morning or late at night when others might be sleeping. What makes the Utalent Immersion Hand Blender truly stand out is its versatility. This blender is not just a one-trick pony. It's a multifunctional tool that can handle a variety of kitchen tasks, thanks to its 3 interchangeable attachments: the mixing wand, milk frother, and egg whisk. The mixing wand is perfect for blending soups, sauces, and smoothies. Its stainless steel construction ensures durability, while the 4-blade system guarantees efficient and even mixing. Whether you're making a hearty tomato soup or a refreshing green smoothie, this attachment delivers smooth and consistent results every time. If you're a coffee lover, you'll appreciate the milk frother attachment. This portable handheld frother allows you to create rich, frothy milk for your lattes, cappuccinos, or hot chocolate. It's also great for frothing non-dairy milk alternatives like almond or oat milk, giving you the flexibility to enjoy your favorite drinks just the way you like them. The egg whisk attachment is ideal for whipping eggs, mixing batters, or even making whipped cream. Its efficient design allows you to achieve light, airy results in no time. Whether you're preparing breakfast or baking a cake, this attachment is a handy tool to have in your kitchen. One of the standout features of the Utalent 3-in-1 Immersion Hand Blender is how easy it is to clean. The detachable attachments can be easily removed with a simple click and lock mechanism, and all parts, including the motor unit, are dishwasher-safe. This means you can spend less time scrubbing and more time enjoying your culinary creation. Additionally, the blender is made from BPA-free materials, ensuring that your food is free from harmful chemicals. This is especially important if you're using the blender to prepare baby food or other meals for your family. Safety is a top priority when it comes to kitchen appliances, and the Utalent Immersion Hand Blender doesn't disappoint. The blender is ETL certified, which means it meets high safety standards for electrical appliances. This certification gives you peace of mind knowing that the blender is safe to use in your home. The blender's durable construction ensures that it will withstand regular use without wearing down. Stainless steel blades and attachments are designed to last, while the robust motor provides consistent performance over time. With proper care, this blender is sure to be a long-lasting addition to your kitchen. If you're still on the fence about whether the Utalent 3-in-1 Immersion Hand Blender is right for you, consider these compelling reasons. Versatility. With its 3-in-1 functionality, this blender can handle a wide range of kitchen tasks, making it a versatile tool for any home cook. Power and precision. The 8-speed settings and turbo mode give you precise control over your blending tasks, ensuring perfect results every time. Ease of use. The ergonomic design and simple controls make this blender easy to use, even for beginners. Plus, the easy-to-clean attachments save you time and effort in the kitchen. Value for money. Given its multifunctionality, durability, and performance, the Utalent Immersion Hand Blender offers excellent value for money. With the Utalent 3-in-1 Immersion Hand Blender in your kitchen, you'll have a powerful, versatile tool that makes cooking easier and more enjoyable. Whether you're blending, frothing, or whisking, this blender delivers consistent, high-quality results, will elevate your culinary creations. In conclusion, the Utalent 3-in-1 Immersion Hand Blender is a versatile and powerful tool that offers excellent performance at an affordable price. Whether you're a seasoned cook or just starting out, this blender can help you tackle a variety of kitchen tasks with ease. Its 8-speed settings, turbo mode, and 3 interchangeable attachments make it a valuable addition to any kitchen. The blender's compact design, user-friendly features, and easy-to-clean attachments make it a convenient choice for everyday use. Plus, its safety certifications and durable construction ensure that it will stand the test of time. If you're looking for a reliable, multifunctional hand blender that won't break the bank, the Utalent 3-in-1 Immersion Hand Blender is an excellent choice. With its powerful motor, versatile attachments, and easy-to-use design, this blender is sure to become a staple in your kitchen. If you enjoyed this review, be sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.